Big update on DeXRP, guys. The first ever decentralized exchange that will be upcoming on XRP. We're gonna have a look into that, guys, because this new project currently is going viral. It is raising almost 4 millions in just a few weeks, guys. So we're gonna have a look into that. There are also different articles now coming out of this upcoming new platform on top of XRP, and of course also of the token itself, the native token DeXRP, which is going to have most likely very soon an exchange listing. So welcome everyone. Make sure to be subscribed on this channel, leave a like, subscribe, and of course also leave a comment, because the more active you are, the more likelier it is I'm gonna select you as the lucky winner of the next $100 giveaway worth of meme coins that we're gonna do as soon as we reach 2,000 subscribers. The last one was with 500 subscribers, 1,000 subscribers, and now we're waiting for the 2,000 subscribers milestone. So welcome everyone on board, guys, and nice that you are watching here this video, and of course that you're with me, because here we are always covering whatever is going on here in the crypto space, whatever I'm trading, whatever I'm buying and selling since 2017. So remember, this is no financial advice. All content in this video, I'm just sharing my own opinions, my own price predictions, whatever I'm buying and selling since 2017 with you guys. And of course I'm watching out always for new good low market cap coins that I like to invest next to have my own crypto portfolio. Check out all exchanges that I'm using, especially if you want to trade XRP or also DeXRP, the new platform that will be upcoming. We don't know yet on what exchanges it will be launching, but since the hype is getting big now on this new first ever XRP platform, then I think we most likely gonna see this coin listed on many exchanges. We don't know that yet, guys. Of course, no financial advice, just my own opinions, but I am very bullish for DeXRP. I bought into this early access coin right now, and you can see that we have a lot of investors now coming in. When I bought it first, it was just a few hundreds, and now it's already over 5,000 investors. And every time that someone is also buying, you can see that here on their website, there is a window popping up, and you can see that basically the transaction and whenever someone is buying. Also, if you are buying, you can see here publicly also that someone just bought, which is you, of course, if you're buying in, and this is quite fun because everyone has access here, of course, to that. The minimum is $80. If you use my link, you will have this extra bonus 3% with your purchase. If you buy, for example, for $500 or more, you get a bit more bonus as well. And here you can basically bind your wallet like I'm doing, like MetaMask, and once you're connected, you can, for example, buy here with Tether, Ethereum, or whatever coin that you want directly here into this coin, and the coins will be locked here until launch. And you can see that the current price is around 5 cents, so this one now is going higher and higher until the listing price of 35 cents. That means that just by buying into the early stage phase, of course, we have here some good upside potential of the coin. Of course, no guarantees, nothing, guys. There could be always something going wrong with new projects, but if everything is going right and everything is going basically as scheduled, then of course this one could be a good coin to have right now. The minimum is $150 to get this 3% bonus, guys. Of course, if you spend more, normally you get more bonuses. So here you see if you spend $500, you get 7%, and if you spend like $1,000, then you get 15% bonus. I think this is the maximum here, 1,500. This is the maximum 15%, and I think that this is also a great coin to have because it's the first ever decentralized exchange built on XRP. And if really XRP is going to go to the moon and be important in the future and getting bigger and bigger, then of course such new projects like we have seen Uniswap or Jupiter on Solana or Ethereum, then of course this one could be the next one basically, and the first one that will also be hyped like Jupiter or Uniswap when they firstly came out. And remember, guys, also on Uniswap, people got rewarded for all of them that bought in the early stage phase, and of course also tried out the platform in the early stage phase. They got massive airdrops, and maybe also here in the future they are going to do that. We don't know such things, but that's why I like to be invested into those new crypto projects, because you never know. Sometimes you get positive surprised as well. And there is also here a list of the biggest transactions, of course. I mean, this one most likely is a whale here with $20,000 invested here. The next one is with 17,000 and so on. Probably those are Ethereum whales or XRP whales maybe that have invested here as well. And here there is also a calculator if you put, for example, $1,000 in it, and this one is getting listed. You see, someone just bought this amount of tokens, this address over here. So if you spend $1,000 into this one and this one is really listing at 35 cents, then this is the gains that you can do here with this coin. And of course, the higher the price would go afterwards, this is the kind of gains that you could do with a certain investment. Of course, no financial advice, guys. This is just a calculator of the potential price per coin in the future on exchanges, and of course with your investment at these prices here, what you could reach. Based on the tokenomics, there is also a limited supply here. You can see that some is reserved already for airdrop, for marketing, for ecosystem, team, staking rewards, liquidity provision, and so on. 25% is reserved for the early access phase, so that's why I would definitely hurry up, guys, because we are already here in the early stage phase, and this one here, of course, should be upcoming towards the end of this year. And if everything goes right, then of course we should expect that towards the end of this year we should be already in a big altcoin season. And if XRP then is also going to the moon, then of course I'm pretty bullish also for this project here as well. So hurry up, guys, links in the video description, and then just click here, join pre-sale, and then of course you can get access to this coin if you want. Of course, no financial advice, guys, as always. All those new coins are high risk, everything here in the crypto space, but I believe that we are right now in the last phase of this bull run, which can take several months, and that means that right now everything that is coming out, or altcoins that are following the trend basically, are great coins to hold during this phase. And that's why right now I'm keeping all my coins. I'm not taking any profits, and of course I'm buying also into new low market cap coins that I believe have good chances to come out during this phase, and of course also to perform well. You can see all those upcoming cryptos here in the video description. Take a look into them, guys. Also for DeXRP, the link is right here. I'm gonna put it also right here at the top. Of course, guys, no one knows the future. We will see what happens with those coins, but I like to be invested into those coins before they're getting listed out on exchanges. Alright, guys, so thank you for watching. Stay tuned, be subscribed. I keep you updated on DeXRP, of course, as well, and we're gonna see us all in the next one. Bye for now.